Yeah, 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 yeah.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, is bringing me out the dark.
It was only a matter of time before you came. I'd started to lose all my interest, lose my faith.
Finally, I
When
can see
suddenly
the sun.
everything faded from gray. The colors took over and carried me away.
See, I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart.
The summer sun sets and the music starts to play.
Reaching a fever pitch, is
The
bringing me out the
entourage
dark.
shimmying down into the cave.
The scars
The rhythm moves in me and pulls me to the
They keep me thinking that we almost
Those
had it
colors
all.
took over
The scars
and
of
carried
your
me
love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling.
Finally, I could see it was so clear to me. I'd been trapped deep inside of my mind. Finally, I could be the woman I see whenever I look in my eyes. Lavender, lavender, lavender. Won't you come for me in the lavender? Lavender, lavender. Forget I'm covered in lavender. Lavender, lavender. Won't you come for me in the lavender? Lavender, lavender.
Baby, I have no story to be told.
I'm rolling through fields and I
I'm
don't feel
I'm
any
gonna make your head burn.
These people up here and they're calling out my name.
Think of me in the
Their
depths of
faces
your
were
despair.
flowering up
Making
above the
hope that there's
shade.
mine sure won't be shared.
Oh, I was in pieces, they handed me
The scars of your love remind me of us. They
Finally,
keep
I
me
could see it
thinking
was so
that
clear
we
to me.
almost had it all.
Finally, I
The
could be
scars
the woman
of
I
your
see.
love, they leave
Finally,
me
I believe there's a
breathless. I
way to be
can't
free.
help
Tell me
feeling we
a
could.
matter of time. Lavender, lavender, lavender. Won't you come for me in the lavender? Lavender, lavender. Forget I'm covered in lavender. Lavender, lavender. Won't you come for me in the lavender? Lavender, lavender. Lavender,